The Grandeur of the Seas just might be one of Royal Caribbean's most underrated ships, and after diving deep into what this vessel offers, it's clear why so many cruisers keep coming back. This isn't the newest ship in the fleet, but sometimes the classics know how to deliver exactly what you need for a perfect getaway. Let's be honest about accommodations first. The Grandeur of the Seas offers 4 main types of staterooms, and each one serves a different kind of traveler. The interior staterooms are compact but cleverly designed, measuring around 150 square feet with twin beds that convert to a royal king. These rooms prove you don't need a window to have a comfortable cruise experience. The ocean view staterooms bump up the space slightly and give you that crucial connection to the sea. There's something magical about waking up to ocean views, even if the window is smaller than what you'd find on newer ships. The 174 square feet feels more generous when you can actually see the horizon from your bed. Balcony staterooms are where the ship really starts to shine. At 179 square feet plus a 42 square foot balcony, these rooms offer genuine outdoor space. The balconies aren't huge, but they're perfectly sized for morning coffee or evening drinks while watching the sunset paint the ocean in brilliant colors. The suites take things up several notches. The Royal Suite spans an impressive 1,140 square feet and includes a separate living area, dining space, and a balcony that's actually large enough for entertaining. The Grand Suite offers 358 square feet of interior space plus a 77 square foot balcony, making it feel more like a small apartment than a cruise cabin. What's particularly thoughtful is how the ship handles accessibility. The accessible staterooms aren't afterthoughts but genuinely well-designed spaces that maintain comfort while meeting mobility needs. Roll-in showers, lowered closet bars, and wider doorways show that Royal Caribbean actually considered how to make cruising work for everyone. Family accommodations deserve special mention. Some staterooms can connect, creating larger spaces for families traveling together. The family ocean view staterooms offer additional upper berths, sleeping up to 4 people without feeling like you're packed into a sardine can. Now let's talk about food, because honestly, that's half the reason people cruise. The Grandeur of the Seas approaches dining with both variety and quality that might surprise you. The Great Gatsby Dining Room serves as the main dining venue, offering a 3-course dinner experience that changes nightly. The menu isn't groundbreaking, but it's consistently good with options ranging from perfectly cooked steaks to fresh seafood. The Windjammer Marketplace Buffet is where most people end up for breakfast and lunch. This isn't your typical cruise buffet with heat lamps and questionable food quality. The stations are well organized, the food stays fresh, and there's enough variety to keep you happy for a week-long cruise. The pizza station deserves its own praise because they actually make decent pizza, not the cardboard you might expect. Chops Grill represents the ship's premium steakhouse experience. For an additional charge, you get perfectly cooked steaks, fresh lobster, and an atmosphere that feels genuinely upscale. The price point isn't cheap, but the quality justifies the cost if you're celebrating something special or just want one memorable dinner. Giovanni's Table brings Italian cuisine to the ship with family-style dining that encourages sharing and conversation. The portions are generous, the pasta is cooked properly, and the atmosphere feels warm and welcoming. It's one of those restaurants where you end up staying longer than planned because the experience is just that comfortable. The casual dining options include a burger joint that serves surprisingly good food. These aren't frozen patties thrown on a grill, but actual burgers that taste like someone cared about making them. The fries are crispy, the toppings are fresh, and it hits the spot when you want something familiar and satisfying. Bar options throughout the ship range from quiet lounges perfect for conversation to livelier spaces where the music gets you moving. The Schooner Bar serves as the ship's main gathering spot, with live piano music most evenings. The drinks are well made, the bartenders are skilled, and the atmosphere strikes that perfect balance between elegant and approachable. Pool areas on the Grandeur of the Seas prove that size isn't everything when it comes to outdoor relaxation. The main pool deck centers around a good-sized swimming pool that's perfect for cooling off without feeling crowded. The surrounding deck chairs are comfortable, and there are usually enough available, even on sea days when everyone wants to be outside. The adults-only solarium pool area is a game-changer for grown-ups seeking peace. This covered pool space includes comfortable loungers, a quieter atmosphere, and that crucial separation from the family chaos happening elsewhere on the ship. The retractable glass roof means you can enjoy this space regardless of weather conditions. 2 whirlpools provide additional relaxation options, and they're properly maintained at the right temperature. There's nothing worse than a lukewarm hot tub on a cruise ship, but the grandeur of the seas keeps theirs hot enough to actually be therapeutic after a long day of exploring ports. The sun decks offer plenty of space for those who want to work on their tan or simply enjoy being outdoors. The deck chairs are comfortable, there's adequate shade when you need a break from direct sun, and the views of the ocean are unobstructed. It's the kind of space where you can easily lose track of time just watching the waves. Activities on board cater to different energy levels and interests. The fitness center isn't massive, but it includes modern equipment and enough variety for a solid workout. The cardio machines face the ocean, which makes treadmill time significantly more pleasant when you're watching dolphins play in the ship's wake. The rock climbing wall challenges both beginners and experienced climbers. It's not the tallest wall you'll find on a cruise ship, but it's well designed and properly supervised. Kids and adults both enjoy testing their skills, and it's one of those activities that brings out everyone's competitive side in a fun way. Basketball and volleyball courts provide options for team sports, though the space is limited and can get busy during peak times. The mini golf course is exactly what you'd expect but still entertaining, especially for families or couples looking for a low-key activity together. Evening entertainment includes production shows that are professionally done without being overly elaborate. The theater is intimate enough that every seat feels close to the action, and the performers genuinely seem to enjoy what they're doing. It's not Broadway, but it's solid entertainment that fits the ship's overall character. The casino offers standard gaming options for those who enjoy testing their luck. It's not enormous, but it includes slots, blackjack, poker, and other table games. The dealers are friendly and helpful for beginners, and the atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming. Educational activities include cooking demonstrations, dance classes, and lectures about upcoming ports. These programs add genuine value to the cruise experience and give you skills or knowledge you can take home. The cooking demonstrations are particularly popular because you actually get to taste the results. The spa and wellness facilities focus on relaxation and rejuvenation without breaking your budget. The spa itself offers a full menu of treatments from massages to facials, and the staff is skilled at helping you choose services that match your needs and preferences. Treatment rooms are comfortable and private, creating that escape from reality feeling that makes spa time so valuable. The thermal suite includes a steam room and sauna that provide additional relaxation options. These facilities are well maintained and offer a quiet retreat when you need to decompress. The relaxation room adjacent to the spa features comfortable loungers where you can extend your wellness experience. Fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aerobic sessions that cater to different skill levels. The instructors are enthusiastic and helpful, making these classes accessible even for beginners. The yoga classes on the top deck during sunrise or sunset are particularly special, combining exercise with some of the most beautiful views you'll see anywhere. The salon services include hairstyling, manicures, and pedicures that let you maintain your appearance or treat yourself to something special. The stylists understand cruise ship life and can suggest styles that will look good throughout your vacation despite ocean breezes and pool activities. Wellness seminars cover topics like nutrition, stress management, and healthy living. These sessions provide practical information you can use long after your cruise ends, making them more valuable than typical shipboard activities that are just for entertainment. Kids and teens have their own dedicated spaces and programs that keep younger guests engaged and happy. Adventure Ocean Kids Club divides children into age-appropriate groups with activities designed for their developmental stages. The counselors are trained professionals who genuinely enjoy working with children, not just college kids looking for a summer job. The Teen Club provides a space where adolescents can socialize without adult supervision while still being in a safe environment. Video games, dance parties, and sports activities give teens options that feel age-appropriate rather than childish. It's one of those areas where the ship really understands that teenagers need independence within boundaries. Family activities include scavenger hunts, trivia contests, and movie nights that bring different generations together. These programs are structured enough to be organized but flexible enough to accommodate different family dynamics. Parents consistently mention how these activities create lasting memories. Childcare services are available for parents who want some adult time during their vacation. The staff is qualified and the facilities are designed with safety as the top priority. Parents can enjoy dinner alone or participate in adults-only activities knowing their children are in good hands. Special programs for holidays and celebrations ensure that kids don't miss out on seasonal fun just because they're at sea. Halloween costume contests, Christmas craft activities, and birthday celebrations show attention to the details that make childhood memories special. The ports of call vary depending on your specific itinerary, but the Grandeur of the Seas typically visits some genuinely interesting destinations. Caribbean itineraries often include stops in Cozumel, where the snorkeling and diving opportunities are world-class. The coral reefs are vibrant and accessible, making this port perfect for underwater exploration. Nassau offers that classic Caribbean experience with its straw markets, historic sites, and beautiful beaches. While it can feel touristy, there are authentic experiences if you know where to look. The ship's shore excursions include both popular attractions and lesser-known gems that provide a more genuine taste of local culture. Key West brings a uniquely American flavor to Caribbean cruising. The sunset celebration at Mallory Square is legendary, and the island's laid-back atmosphere provides a perfect contrast to busier port stops. Walking tours reveal the island's fascinating history and architectural treasures. Shore excursions are well-organized and offer good value for the experiences provided. Snorkeling trips include all necessary equipment and instruction for beginners. Cultural tours provide genuine insights into local history and traditions rather than just hitting the obvious tourist spots. Private beach experiences at Perfect Day, at Coco Cay, or similar private islands give you that tropical paradise feeling without the crowds and commercialization of public beaches. The water is crystal clear, the beaches are well maintained, and the activities range from relaxing to adventurous. The overall experience on Grandeur of the Seas feels authentic, rather than manufactured. This ship doesn't try to be everything to everyone, and that focus actually works in its favor. The service is consistently friendly without being intrusive, and staff members seem genuinely happy to help rather than just going through the motions. The ship's size creates an intimate atmosphere where you start recognizing faces by day 3 and feel like part of a floating community rather than just another passenger on a massive vessel. The crew-to-guest ratio ensures that service remains personal and attentive throughout your stay. Cleanliness standards are high throughout the ship. Public areas are maintained regularly, staterooms are cleaned thoroughly daily, and dining venues meet the hygiene standards you'd expect from a quality restaurant on land. This attention to cleanliness becomes especially important when you're sharing space with hundreds of other people. The pace of life on board strikes a good balance between scheduled activities and free time. You can stay busy from morning until night if you choose, or you can spend entire days doing absolutely nothing but reading and watching the ocean. The ship accommodates both approaches without making either feel wrong. Value for money is where the ship really excels. You get a genuine cruise experience without paying premium prices for bells and whistles you might not actually use. The included dining is good quality, the entertainment is professional, and the service is attentive without feeling like you need to tip constantly for basic courtesy. What makes the Grandeur of the Seas stand out is its commitment to doing the fundamentals really well rather than chasing the latest gimmicks. The ship doesn't have surf simulators or skydiving simulators, but it has comfortable staterooms, good food, friendly service, and interesting itineraries. Sometimes that's exactly what you need for a perfect vacation. The ship's classic design includes elegant touches that newer vessels sometimes sacrifice for novelty. The atrium is genuinely beautiful with its multi-story design and natural lighting. Public spaces feel spacious and well-designed rather than cramped or confusing to navigate. Unique architectural features include the indoor-outdoor solarium that provides year-round swimming regardless of weather conditions. The retractable glass roof is an engineering feature that enhances the guest experience without being showy about it. It's the kind of practical innovation that improves daily life on board. The theater design ensures good sightlines from every seat, making evening entertainment enjoyable regardless of where you're sitting. The acoustics are well designed, so you can hear clearly without the sound being overwhelming. These details matter when you're trying to relax and enjoy a show. Meeting and conference facilities are available for groups who want to combine business with pleasure. The spaces are professional and well-equipped with modern technology, but they don't dominate the ship's design or interfere with vacation activities. Business travelers can handle necessary meetings without feeling like they're missing out on their cruise experience. Event spaces can accommodate celebrations like anniversaries, birthdays, or reunions. The staff is experienced at helping groups plan special occasions, and the venues are flexible enough to work for intimate gatherings or larger parties. It's the kind of service that turns a good cruise into a memorable celebration. Guest experience highlights consistently focus on the crew's genuine friendliness and helpfulness. Stories from past passengers often mention specific crew members who went above and beyond to solve problems or create special moments. A dining room server who remembered a guest's coffee preference throughout the week, or a stateroom attendant who created towel animals that delighted children every day. The captain and senior officers maintain a visible presence throughout the ship, participating in guest activities and making themselves available for conversation. This accessibility creates a sense of connection between passengers and the people responsible for their safety and enjoyment. It's old-school cruise ship hospitality that some newer vessels have lost. Surprise amenities sometimes include complimentary room upgrades when available, special recognition for celebrations mentioned during booking, or small touches like fresh fruit deliveries to staterooms. These gestures don't cost the cruise line much, but they create lasting positive impressions that turn first-time cruisers into repeat customers. The ship's library provides a quiet retreat with comfortable seating and an actual selection of books worth reading. In an age of digital everything, having a physical space dedicated to quiet reading feels almost luxurious. The selection includes both popular fiction and books about the destinations you're visiting. Personalized experiences often develop naturally through interactions with crew members who take genuine interest in helping guests have the best possible vacation. A bartender who creates a custom drink based on your preferences, or an activities director who suggests lesser-known ship amenities that match your interests. The grandeur of the seas proves that cruise ship excellence comes from executing the basics exceptionally well, rather than trying to pack every possible amenity into one vessel. This ship understands its role as a comfortable, floating hotel that takes you to interesting places while providing genuine hospitality along the way. For travelers who want a real cruise experience without paying for features they won't use, this ship delivers exactly what you're looking for.